Hello everyone, this is Dr.Akshata Shanbhag. Today we are going to learn about homeopathic mother tinctures. So before we start with the different types of mother tinctures, we will know what is mother tincture. So in this picture you can see that there is maceration happening and there is percolation happening. So with this we can say that mother tincture is a solution prepared from a drug substance of plant or animal kingdom by the process of maceration or percolation using a suitable menstruum or solvent in a definite proportion as per homeopathic pharmacopoeia. So mother tincture is the first stage in the preparation of a homeopathic remedy dilutions. If you have to prepare a homeopathic remedy, first is the mother tincture preparation. Then only you can go with the further dilutions. So it is the base of which further homeopathic dilutions are done. So we can also call it as a mother of a remedy or a base of a remedy. Mother tinctures have a very fast action and the effect can be felt in a few minutes. So we use Q or MT or mother tincture specifically suffixed to indicate that the remedy is in mother tincture form. For example, calendula Q, that means calendula is present in a mother tincture form. Mother tinctures are not permanent solution for any complaint. They are only for temporary and emergency use. So this we have to remember when we are using it. It is not the permanent solution. We have to give some potentized drug, constitutional drug to cure the case. So this is just in the emergency cases we can use it. So dosage, how we can give the mother tinctures? In adult, we can use it 10 to 15 drops of mother tincture in 30 ml of lukewarm water. We can ask them to take. In newborn and infant, 1 drop. Children, 2 to 4 drops. Adult children, 5 to 7 drops can be used. Now we will see the different types of homeopathic mother tinctures we can use in our day-to-day life or practice. So with this picture, you can say that we are speaking about obesity. So if for obesity in homeopathy, what are the mother tinctures? Yes, seeing this picture, what you can see, there is a sea and inside there are some weeds, plants, right? So this is a seaweed which we call it as Fucus vesiculosus. This is used for the preparation of mother tincture for the obesity in homeopathy. So this we can use for obesity, and this you can see it is, yes, so it looks like a berry, right? So this is Phytolacca berry. So we have two mother tinctures. One is Fucus vesiculosus and Phytolacca berry mother tinctures can be used for the obesity. So with this picture, what we see, there is dandruff present, right? So for dandruff, what are the homeopathic mother tinctures we can use? So one is Badiyaga mother tincture we can use, or the plant extract, something like this, the flowers look, which we call Cochlearia armoracea mother tincture. So this mother tincture we have to mix it with the coconut oil and use it for application. So this will help in reducing the dandruff. So with the picture you can say that we are speaking about liver damage. So any liver complaints. So any liver complaints, what are the homeopathic mother tinctures we can use? So this plant you must have seen. So at the roadside and all, there it will be grown. This is called Chelidonium. Chelidonium mother tincture we use for liver complaints. And one more plant which looks, the flowers and leaves look something like this, which is called as Cardus marianus. So, two mother tinctures, Chelidonium and Cardus marianus mother tincture are used for liver complaints. Yes. So with this picture, I think you have guessed about what condition we are speaking. That is kidney stones or renal calculi. So very frequently or mostly we use this mother tincture in homeopathy. That is, which is a plant extract again. Just look for the flowers. Observe the flowers, because in the next slide we will be seeing something like this, and the leaves of this plant are something like this. So this is called as Berberis vulgaris. Berberis vulgaris mother tincture is used for kidney stones. So now we will speak about acne. Yes, pimples or acne. So for acne, what is the mother tincture used in homeopathy? So in the previous slide for the kidney stones, I showed you one picture, right? For the Berberis vulgaris, the flowers are almost similar to that, right? Only the leaves, you can say there is difference in the leaves. So this also belongs to the same family. It is also a Berberis. So, but this is Berberis aquifolium. So this one, Berberis aquifolium, we use for acne, and Berberis vulgaris we use for renal calculi. Don't get confused. So one more plant extract, that is, flowers look something like this, which we call Echinacea. Echinacea is used, again mother tincture is used for acne. If there is more of pus formation in the acne and all, we use Echinacea. Yeah, so what is being done here in this picture? They are looking for blood sugar level with the glucometer. So we are speaking about diabetes mellitus. So for diabetes mellitus, what are the mother tinctures we can use in our homeopathy? So everyone must have guessed the fruit what it is, right? So this is jamba we call, right? So I hope everyone will love to eat this, which we call Syzygium jambolinum. Syzygium jambolinum mother tincture is most oftenly used for diabetes mellitus in homeopathy. And one more plant extract, the flowers look something like this, which we call gymnema. Gymnema mother tincture is also used for diabetes mellitus. So what you can see here, the two pipe structures, this is blood vessel. So within the blood vessel, the blood cells are being passed. So here in the first picture, you can see that the diameter of the blood vessel is normal, while the internal diameter in the second one, you can see it is narrowed. Either there is thickness in the wall or there is some accumulation of fat molecules which causes narrowing of the blood vessel. So because of which there will be hypertension, the blood pressure increases, which we call it as hypertension. So for hypertension, what are the homeopathic drugs we use, or homeopathic mother tinctures we use? So this is the most common plant you can observe in the houses. So outside the house they grow this as an ornamental plant, right? So which we call it as Rauwolfia. So Rauwolfia mother tincture is used for hypertension. And one more plant which looks something like this, which we call it as Lycopus virginica. Lycopus virginica mother tincture. So Rauwolfia mother tincture and Lycopus virginica mother tincture we use for the hypertension. So what is this blood being spilled? That means what? We are speaking about hemorrhage. So when there is excessive bleeding happening, we call it as hemorrhage. So bleeding from anywhere, from any outlet, anywhere there is a excessive bleeding happening, so the remedy is what you can use in our homeopathy. Mother tincture what we can use in our homeopathy to control the bleeding immediately. So you can see the plant which has a flowers something like this, so which we call it as millifolium. Most oftenly used millifolium mother tincture is used. Then you can see the plant which has leaves of some this sort, and the flowers of this sort which we call witch hazel also. This is also one of the best drug for the to control the bleeding, hamamelis. One more drug you can see here, the flowers look something like this, so which has only 3 petals, so we call it as trillium pendulinum. Trillium pendulinum. Okay, so this is also mother tincture we can use for the hemorrhage. And one more you can see here, the leaves, the flowers look something like this, which is called as thalaspi bursa. So for mother tinctures I told you for hemorrhage, that is millifolium, hamamelis, trillium pendulinum, thalaspi bursa. So these can be used for controlling the hemorrhage. So there are few more mother tinctures and the conditions we will study in the next the next part of this mother tincture video. So please watch it. So I hope you have it is helpful for you. So if you feel it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.